Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to do sword 69, and we're starting our sword by making our cards. And this sword is about short U and long U with a silent E at the end, and we have one little oddball word. So we're going to do, first of all, we're going to take our paper and we're going to fold it in half. Make your fold nice and tight. Then we're going to fold it in half one more time. Again, make your fold nice and tight. Then we're going to fold it in half this way. My ending part is not wanting to cooperate. And then we're going to fold it in half one more time this way. Make your folds nice and tight. And there is more than 4 lines, so we have to fold it one more time. All right, now I have my 4 lines. I hit it a little bit, and there is my paper. Now I can unfold it, and my fold lines should be nice and visible when I unfold it. And you know what that means. You need to go ahead and pause the video here and trace your fold lines with your marker, pencil, or paper, or a pen to where it looks like this. When you're ready to continue, go ahead and start the video again. Our categories today are the short U, the long U, and the oddball. So I'm going to write down short U, and we know there's a hook on top of the short U. The long U, and the long U has a line on the top, and it's long because there's a consonant after it, and then there's a silent E. And then we have our oddball. And we know oddball is that word that does not follow the rules. All right, we're going to start off by writing down our words. And we're going to talk about whether they belong in the short U, the long U, or in the oddball category. So I have the word just. Just. And it has the that's a short U. And then I have the tube, like YouTube, tube. And I can see two, it says the U, and it has a silent E at the end, so that's my long U. And then I have put. And this one is not really short. It doesn't say and it doesn't say you. So that's my oddball. It is not following the rules. I have the word drum. And it says short U. Then I have the word huge. That was a huge sandwich. Huge. Hue. I can hear the U, and there's a silent E, so that's my long U. Then I have the month of June, and I know the name of a month is always capitalized. June. The name of anything is capitalized. So this is June. It says U, and it has a silent E. Yep, my long U category. Then I have cube. Cube. We use the unifix cube for the ones unit. Q, it says U, and it has a silent E, my long U. Then I have bus. Bus. It says Oh, that's my short one, and there's no silent E. My next word is hunt. Sometimes I have to hunt for my keys. Hunt. It says short U. And then I have the word jump. I see some of you jump really high. Jump. It says so that's my short U. Then shut. Shut the door of the refrigerator. Shut. It says my short U. Next is my word rude. Rude. Do not be rude to anybody. Rude. I can hear the U, rude. And there's a silent E, so that's my long U. Flute. When I was your age, I played the flute, the piccolo flute. And I can't hear that E, but I can hear the U, flute. So that's my long U. Mule, mule. U, I can hear the U, but I don't hear the silent E, so that's my long U. Club, club. We have a gardening club at our school. Club, it says so that's my short U, and there's no E at the end. Cut, cut, so that's my short, no silent E either. Such, such, such a cool kid. Such a short U. Plus, plus a short U. We use the plus sign when we add. Tune. Which tune do you like to hear? Tune. It says U and it has a silent E. That's my long U. Then I have the word use. Use. Ooh, it says U. And I don't hear the E. So that still belongs in my long U category. And my last word is cute. You are such a cute kid. Cute. It says U, and I don't hear that E, so that's also a long U word. What I need you to do now is cut out your words, sort them, take a picture, and post it on Class Dojo so I see how awesome you already are at sorting these words. See you next time.